That is wonderful because guess what?
Yeah.
When you did do with your money, when you did get, if you did get
Spend
any.
it up, can't never come off stay. But you know my Arty take it for 99 and put your two. Something in a some cock up in a box or the power WhatsApp call, something in a something.
Me
So
and
just tell
Arty
the
do show
world.
together. Me and Arty do show together. The world know that Arty is my friend. Arty mean me good. Arty advise me in the best way. Arty lift my spirit. Arty lift me up. Arty help me.
Yeah, man, lift your
Arty
spirit.
direct
Man,
me.
lift your spirit. Me bomb. Hey, Blinga, I that take me for now. I that take me for. Arty walk and lift your spirit. I hear them say nothing in that. No, Arty, you ever say Arty lift my spirit, Arty make my day, Arty put me to sleep. You hear what things they say Arty do you?
I did not tell you Arty put me to sleep. Do not say that.
You never said.
But, hypothetically speaking, let's say Arty and Miss Bling is into stuff. How is that your problem?
Yes, I know. God, it is public, so the public wants to know. What you mean? It is not no pub problem, but to let our things in the public, so all you have to do is just confirm with us. We need to know, and we're supposed to know, we have all right to know, because we cock up and we watch, you know. So we are entitled to. What you take this thing for? You think it's a gimmicks? 4 person, guys.
Everybody where you sit close with when one and it, you don't know the word when you're loyalty. I am loyal to Arty.
2 more rows. 3, guys, you 2 blood clot over close. You're 2 over close. Yeah.
No, you cannot send me over close because you don't see me at Arty yard in a Arty house.
No.
With Arty and his family.
And I tell you what, not tell we. And we don't know what going off air. All 50 million times you talk to the man. You talk to the man more than old man talk to him nice, sweet, wonderful heart wife. You talk to the man more than old man talk to him wife. No, you come like you come to take over. Double, guys, double. So not full up over here, but to the
I get to find out so you don't like blood clot peace and you're not used to love and somebody if care about you and really like you. When you do Arty, if Arty run away from you, Mackerel?
Him just want to run. Them not tell her, you never hear me a wicked girl or wicked friend or wicked everything. They never tell her.
Maybe because you're never loyal to him. You say him spend how much money on you and carry on dates.
I thought I'm a man. But you
just send carry on dates and spend how much money and all these things. So what the relationship?
Arty didn't have to spend money for me because Arty that look clothes and have to spend money for me. Okay?
But how Arty look clothes and when Arty come out with full of peer clothes, Arty come out and read people. Everybody has to swarm him.
Okay, well, okay, listen. This is not about Arty, it's about you. Okay? You me a talk about. So what you don't know, you leave that alone. Leave that alone.
But you talk everything, so might as well we talk everything.
Leave Arty alone, because I'm never calling for WhatsApp and ask him, because have to report to me. I'm going to ask him what you want him into. I'm going to call Arty when I finish, and I'm going to ask him, because you're not telling the public what the public needs, the blood clot. No.
But there's nothing to tell the blood clot public, because Mackerel, there is nothing to
That's
tell
what
the
telling
public.
us lie. You manipulate our brain.
Mackerel.
What?
Even if me and the man there, how we bother you so? Why you doing it bother?
Make him man. Sometimes I feel like I can't sit down at live at daytime with the man in a box and whole congregation. Me know why I feel like I take up too much of the woman time.
You sound hurt.
No, me can't sound hurt. You mad? You mad? But if you tell us what is going on, why the man take it from 99 and put it all the way at 2 just like that?
Because him sister me need it.
Him
know me have my family and him sister me need it and him know me aim and my goal. That's why I'm do that. That's what true friend do. That's what true friend fucking do.
I sorry man, sorry for you. But true friend.
All of that. Well, if I'm sorry for, we can't use it.
What kind of family? Like, you have husband and kids and so?
Yes.
Oh.
So I don't know what kind of propaganda this year spread for me. People can be genuine friends.
People, man. That's what you want to say.
Mackerel, listen to me. I don't bother Arty. I don't ever send go call Arty.
Hey, that is lie. You are the seller. You still on body call. You say Arty, watch it. I'm going live now. I'm bossy. Hear you. I say you not say Arty now. You say bossy. Me I beg him get a number one push and he say, all right, that's how we're gonna blah 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 blah. Cause that's what Arty talk. Snipe. But now I talk to you again, bring a car right now, me I lose.
Suppose me tell you, say, I've never, ever asked Bossy anything like that before.
You're not gonna tell me say you ask him.
Me I go hot up your blood clots head now. You ready?
No, wait, Blinga, wait. You have to take time.
No, me want hot up your head and fuck up your day and the rest of your year now.
All right, Blinga. But I have a blood clot you couldn't again.
No, I'm serious because you come by us with drama and you know the people them are record fuckery.
I only put them record you and I only put them send their box with people drama. When you got that?
No, one thing with me now, I can't take my beat in a mackerel.
You can't take my one talk. We are talk say.
All right, let me tell you this.
Tell me.
Arty is a spiritual advisor.
Yeah, right? the world know. Yeah, spiritual advice. Yeah.
Everybody knows that Arty have him dirty money, right?
You know.
Oh, you don't know?
You know. Continue.
You same spend only for money per year that you say no.
You know.
All right.
Arty never spend 1.8 million diamond per me yet. You know talk.
You sound hurt.
You all right. We know talk.
All right. So look here now. Me and Arty is friend. The whole fucking world knows say I mean say Arty, one fucking Arty, no matter what. So right. Now, you see like how me know say you are bothered by me and Arty.
Wait, girl, we're not bothered. No, wait, Blinga. I am not bothered. But it just took away. The public needs to know.
Oh, if you look away, this is what you call friends. We are sure people so people and people can live good.
Okay, this is what they call friends with benefit. Okay, we understand, darling. Tell the world.
Two married people, them in a mackerel.
That not a bad thing. You never watch sure.
Why would Arty violate him good family when have? You see how Arty live? For me.
No,
me
that's
like Arty.
Don't use that now as
it's not used, but make a reason.
Don't use that now. Don't use that. That's not in it. Talk about you and Arty. Don't use that now.
Tap up the screen, people. Tap up the screen. Let's go.
Don't use that now. Blingy. Don't use that bling. Bling. Catch his speed, guys. Catch his. Uno a phone. You know other uno over here. But don't talk to Blinga. Blinga talk about the match. But don't talk.
Yes, better you don't talk. You're not. You just spread beer fucked up rumors.
Blinga, don't start again, you know. Actually, people are not shooting up Blinga. Don't start again. That's it.
Blinga, start anything because guess what? There is no proof and there will never be any proof. And Arty has never put an argument to me. I have never put an argument to him. Mackerel still have genuine fucking people out there.
One another 2 donuts. Can't answer Blinga blood. Guys, one another 2 donuts. We can tell Blinga something in idea, yeah. More genuine, this and gen. 1 another and 2 donuts. And if you can't catch it,
you not say your mind closed, you're not used to love.
Close like door, but you want to open, you're used to too much love. 1 anat and 2 donut. Thank you, babe, for the donut. You're used to too much love.
Guys, send everything on the speed, guys.
Someone just randomly love you, sir?
Yes. You never know that somebody can randomly love somebody, so they know
No, we never said somebody, we say man.
We love Derek and spend 1.1 million on him.
How are these big people? Alright, Blinga. Alright. Let me come get myself in a rat trap. You're rich.
If you're jealous about Arty, just call him one away and say, Arty, stop support Blinga and support me.
No. Listen, Blinga. Me not bad man and I'm not jealous. I'm just saying.
2 times gifting people.
Sweet. But listen, I am just saying 50 million times for the day, cock up in our box with the man. After life done, you did it on phone call with the man.
You know, say me and him the phone call.
Arty!
Oh, you know, say me and Arty the phone call, Mackerel.
That is the only blood clot thing left for your blood clot. Do I come at the man yard at Jamaica? That's the blood clot all the time. And kick with Auntie Nikki foot.
Why would Arty? Let me ask you something. Why would Arty?
Yeah, Blinga, you love man too much, yeah, man. We don't talk. You just love man, yeah, man, Blinga, man. We don't talk to you, Blinga. You just love man.
All right, so Mackerel, I know my fault say Arty like me more than only like you.
Bumbleclad. Snap, guys.
Eh?
Warriors come to bomb. Are you like the man? The man I like you. Are you like the man? Are you a push up yourself for the man?
Well,
Man, I like you.
that means me I do a good blood clot job then because him not stop shoot for me and push me up at 1 too much million. How you say it? How it go? Make a reason.
Exchange is no robbery, Blinga. That is nothing. Exchange is no robbery.
Mackerel, me never, your mind closed. And you have one like a bad mind energy boy you.
Blinga, I don't bad
Arty run
no,
from
Blinga,
you.
don't use that word now. Don't
That's
use
why
that word.
Arty run from you because when you did have Arty, Mackerel.
Me never have Arty yet.
No, well,
Me
when you
never
and him
have
did a
Arty yet.
friend.
Don't say that.
When you and him did a friend, me guarantee, me can't ask Christ say Arty did volunteer for help
We
you.
need that yet nuggets for you, guys. We need that yet nuggets. Shadow the most.
Yeah, him did volunteer for help you. So what Gwaan, Mackerel?
Blinga said, me bad man. No, Blinga. Blinga, what you need to do, Blinga? I'm just saying, right? Because I see you and Arty so close. The world want to know. And
Well,
there's
let me
not...
tell the world. Let me tell the world. Arty and I are wonderful friends.
Yeah.
And Arty support Blinga in anything what Blinga do with Arty approve
But
of.
it's only a man support his woman in everything she do. So, hey, woman, listen to me. I will box you through the phone, you know.
I mean, inhale a bullet in a year one. Let me ask you something. Why every man you have where come round you run? Or what you do to lava? Why lava not stay with you? I wonder if I see a reason why Arty drop you.
This is not about me, you know. This is about you that they're number two. Don't turn on anything on me, okay?
No, but look at it. Lava had you. And lava
Never have me.
Well, you guys used to be close, so what happened?
It's just so it go, and everybody just thought they're going to end with. Don't watch it. Arty can't tell him to run left you too.
Make him run left blood clot me because guess what?
But you're not going to use him. You're not going to use him. Okay? All right. So tell the world, say yeah, exchange things and I get things from Arty and left fitness. So tell the public, because they say you run talk show with Arty, you this and you that, you ray. Me have to tell all the truth. Sorry. Blinga, you know. Blinga, sorry, Blinga. Just tell. Blinga, you a big woman, no Blinga, me a big woman, Blinga. We know Blinga. One man just nag. Blinga, look here. I TikTok this. Remember, Blinga, say you don't really have a team, right? You don't have a team, Blinga, like everybody else. You understand? Right? So, it just look a way for Arty by himself, just take you from 99 and just carry you got number 2. Right? Tell me wrong and tell me where I go wrong in a bling. You can't tell me. Right? You don't feel like it. So that is why I'm ask. It's no bad mind Blinga or no red eye or no jealousy Blinga or anything. You know what? Arty and my little friend when we used to dance with him song them, it's just that I move on from Arty and gone somewhere else right now. And you pick up what I left off. Why you behaving so strongly? Eh? Yeah, you silent over there. You think don't have no comeback.
All I am smelling right here is just fucking jealousy. And you see, because you feel that way there, I'm gonna tell Arty I want to do my teeth and my stomach and my ass. So
okay.
Yes. So since as you're jealous of Arty giving me things, I'm going to say, Arty, I need a makeover. So you can feel some type of way more.
So wait. You got man like I got designer?
No, and I'm gonna let him follow me. How that go? The wife never have a problem with me and Arty, and you have a problem with me and Arty. I want Mackerel. Where you miss? I want
No, don't call the lady name but the lady, she's a very easygoing, nice person. Okay? But you know, I don't want you come over here, come over TikTok, come feel like you can manipulate the public, you know, lady. Don't manipulate the public. Be yourself right here. What I'm saying to you is one man. Listen to the point and listen what I'm saying. One man just take you so from nowhere and put you somewhere just like that. I yarn him not in nothing.
Yes, I have that effect on men.
Bomba class.